This is a significant step for TikTok as it tries to avoid a ban that's due to come into effect on January the 19th. The Supreme Court of the United States has agreed to hear TikTok's arguments on January the 10th about why they say the ban or the forced sale of the company goes against the First Amendment here in the United States, which gives freedom of speech. Now, up until this point, lower level courts have found that the legitimate concerns about national security override any concerns about potential impinging on free speech here in the United States. But at the moment, this ban will still come into effect on January the 19th unless TikTok is sold from its Chinese owners to a different owner. And at the moment, its parent company, ByteDance, is indicating that they're not interested in a sale. But this has also become a major political issue. The President-elect of the United States, Donald J. Trump, has shown some sympathy to TikTok's arguments. He says that he has a soft place in his heart for the platform, in part because we know that younger members of his family do use the platform, and he believes that it was instrumental in the support that he gained from young people at this last election, which he won. Donald Trump is due to become the President of the United States on January the 20th, so the day after this ban is due to come into force. But if on January the 10th, after hearing the arguments from TikTok, it is possible that the Supreme Court could put a stay, an injunction on this particular law, allowing TikTok to receive some more time to fight this law in the Congress, effectively calling for a new law to overturn the previous law. At this point, it's unclear whether or not the Republican Party would be in favor of such a move. They will control the House of Representatives and the Senate, as well as the White House in the new year. So it is possible that they could do it if the party decides it's a position that they want to take. But it would go against the advice of the US Justice Department, who says that TikTok does represent a national security risk to the United States because of the level of data that TikTok has access to, including location data and private messaging data from the roughly 170 million Americans who use the platform. TikTok says it does not pose a threat to national security here in the United States, and instead says that it has become an essential public platform for free speech.